Hi, I'm David with Seattle Natural Awakenings. It's a healthy living magazine. I'm one of the publishers. This is what the magazine looks like. It's a free monthly publication, and it's going to be available to pick up at natural stores, health practitioners. It fills a gap in the market. Right now in Seattle there wasn't a healthy lifestyle magazine. There used to be Conscious Choice, but they're no longer in business. My background is with computers. I worked at an IT department in college, and then I worked with web pages, and then I worked with a computer and an AV rental company as a technician. So far we have enough advertisers to break even per month, so we can only go up from here. So we're fully sustainable right now. But we're actually a part of a national franchise, and so we have both national content and we also get local content. These are our QR codes. We just decided that we would like to get the QR codes. I've seen them around, and so I looked into how to get my own QR codes. So I went online, I found an open source QR code generator, and I made my own QR codes to Facebook and Twitter. Just a handful of people have scanned the QR codes. A lot more people have signed up for our newsletter by writing their name and email address. Thank you very much for watching. I'm with Seattle Natural Awakenings at seattleawakenings.com.